that came to my video. That today we reach one more temple and we come to study one more temple. So the name of this temple we call Kro Nhuong Temple. Kro Nhuong Temple is one of the Maha tree. It's the famous tree in Cambodia. So in the past, a lot of the Kro Nhuong tree that they grow around this area. And then the local people, they did not know the original name of this temple. When they saw the Kro Nhuong Temple, and then they called this temple Kro Nhuong Temple, Kro Nhuong Temple. So I stand here is the east gate of the Kro Nhuong Temple. The east gate. So this gate, they built it from the laterite stone. They covered it on the sandstone, but the frame door or doorway in, yeah, they use it the sandstone. So this temple are located in the Kro Nhuong village, Ta Siem, and the Strangler district. In the Siem Reap province, the destination of this temple, it have around 100 kilometers from the Siem Reap city on the Angkor Wat and to the northeast of the Angkor Wat temple. So this temple, they built it on the man-made hill, surround this area, covered it by the moat. And then they use the temple wall or the temple rampart, they use the laterite stone. So this temple, they built only one tower or the single tower. Yeah, they built it from the brick, but the library, it had two libraries on both sides. So let us go to see inside more place, more carving. Yeah, we will explain you more about this temple. Okay, let us go. So we invite one of the villagers. He clear the way for us and to take the picture, because the gateway is in front. We cannot enter. So and then we enter from the south, and then we go to the east again to see the two libraries. Yeah. Okay, let us go and to see together. When the village he clear the small tree or the forest away. Okay, let us continue to see it here. It's the South Term Library. Now we are right in the South Term Library. Yeah. The villager he clear for me to see, but the roof already collapsed down there. The South Term Library, they built it from laterite stone, but the roof maybe they built it from brick. They covered it by the brick. Okay, let us continue. Yeah, and to see North Term Library. Bán đấy bông. Bán đấy bông. Ok đó. Bán đấy, stop here. Wow, Yoni here. Yoni. But the tree here, the tree they grow up on the middle of the Yoni. Very nice. Oh, amazing. Yoni here. To support the Shiva Linga here. Ooh. Wow, very nice. Ta ơi, con chào xôm xôm lục bài, con chào màu về lưới cả, lục ta lục gì giờ là một mà đòn và so is in trend, but the termite mound is already blocked down. Yeah, so we clear some small tree, and then I think that the God they will happy for us to clear the tree away. It is in trend, and then the side is the library, the north-term library. But your pass more, bang, take your pass more. But careful to hit the stone. But bang, mau cái này, dương nghe mau cái này bang, xa mau cái này mất, dương tôm mơ bị khẳng lệnh chỉnh mở. Ai trôi ba này, bàn là lại nắng bà. So it's a library, north-term library, but we cannot enter from other side. Because all the trees they grow up, it is amazing. Yeah, amazing. So this is the first time for me, and we research, and then we come and to study with our four friends today, and then we invite the villager and to help us and to clear the forest away. Yeah, very nice. Bà tích tích cho bong luôn dừng luôn trôi cho các bạn đây bà thứ mấy cũng ở pasmo bong cũng ở pasmo kia rồi nhom dừng thay màu tịnh plan ok có cả đám ní muối bong đám ní nắng và that tree here cut it easy yeah bong trôi được nông tích tới library but this library they open to the west. Because this temple they build it and open to the east. Wow, the sandstone over there. Yeah, let us go to see closer. Yeah. Và có bài bắt mò bằng bài bắt mò. Yeah, now we enter the northern library. Bằng có bài ska đó nâng vào bắt mò bằng. Còn ska flow châu lắm các bạn đó. Yes, ní bong ní ca châu đây. Bà cái làm đáy nó cái lại nó bong nó cái lại cho trộn được ban là lại. So this one is the gateway and to the northern library. Wow, nice one. Nice ficus fruit or the ficus. Ficus fruit here, they grow near the temple. Chop, man, now we reach the gateway, yeah, to the library. But nothing remains now. Okay, let us go and to see the central one, the central tower. Yeah. We just leave from northern library. Now we arrive in the central tower. Yeah, we want to go inside. Okay, let us go and together to see how it look like. Yeah. Okay, how it look like to see it. Yeah. Now we reach the central tower. This central tower, they built it from the brick, and they use the sand, the stone, frame door, yeah, but nothing left. But this temple, it look like they built it during in the 10th century or 11th century. Okay, let us study the ancient temple together. Bong số ấy bong số ấy bà sọc phô là nên nó phu mấy bong phu mấy Phum Kro Nhuong khum 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 Phum Kro Nhuong khum Ta Siem ណា Srok Strangler ណា ខេត្តសៀមរាបយើងបាទ This village he live near the temple site Kro Nhuong village and Ta Siem Kro Nhuong Strangler district. Okay, thank you very much for your watching our video. Okay, let us go and to see the west entrance a little bit before we finish our video. This is the west entrance. West entrance. But they built it from laterite stone. This is the west entrance. តែបង clear ទៅយកប៉ះថ្មមកប៉ះថ្មគឺបាទយកសុបសុបមកកាប់ក៏បានបងទាញឡើងលើបាទទាញឡើងលើបាទwest entrance but we cannot walk out and in បាទវាយកបងកិនខ្ញុំត្រង់មើលបាទប៉ណ្ណេះបានហើយបងបាទ Okay, thank you very much for watching our video. So good luck to you. បាទសូមឲ្យសំណាងល្អបាទនេះខ្លងទ្វារភាគខាងលិចបាទសូមឲ្យធ្វើដំណើរបានសុខបាទ Bye bye, see you next video.